Have you ever wondered how PVC pipes, those ubiquitous elements in construction and plumbing, are manufactured? Today we're going to break down the process of starting a PVC pipe manufacturing business, step by step. Firstly, every successful venture begins with thorough market research. Understanding the demand for PVC pipes in your target region, identifying your competitors, and knowing the potential size of your market are all critical components of this initial stage. Next, it's time to craft a comprehensive business plan. This should include your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Don't forget to detail the manufacturing process, distribution channels, and sales strategy. Legal considerations are an important part of setting up any business. Choose a suitable business structure and register your business with the relevant authorities. You'll also need to obtain any required licenses and permits for manufacturing and operating a business in your location. After these foundational steps, you'll need to find a suitable location for your manufacturing facility. Consider factors such as proximity to raw materials, transportation infrastructure, and labor availability. Once you have a location, you can set up the necessary infrastructure for PVC pipe manufacturing. Raw materials and suppliers form the backbone of your manufacturing process. Identify reliable suppliers for PVC resin and other necessary materials, and establish relationships to ensure a steady and cost-effective supply chain. Of course, you can't manufacture PVC pipes without the right equipment. Invest in high-quality, industry-standard and safety-compliant manufacturing equipment. This might include extruders, molds, cooling tanks, cutting machines, among others. Quality control is a non-negotiable aspect of manufacturing. Implement a robust process to make sure your PVC pipes meet industry standards and customer expectations. Regular testing and inspection will help maintain consistent quality. Output. Don't forget about staffing. Hire skilled personnel for various roles and provide training programs to ensure they are knowledgeable about the manufacturing process and safety protocols. Now, let's talk about marketing and sales. Develop a strategy to promote your PVC pipes using both online and offline channels. Establish relationships with distributors, retailers, and construction companies to expand your sales network. Financial management is crucial. Set up a system to track expenses, revenue, and profits, and secure funding if needed. Lastly, always stay informed about industry regulations and standards. Regularly update your processes to meet any changes in regulations. And there you have it. Starting a PVC pipe manufacturing business, while complex, can be broken down into these manageable steps. Remember, careful planning, adherence to regulations, and a commitment to quality are key. Stay informed, seek expert advice, and you'll be on your way to a successful venture. Tune in next time for more insights into the fascinating world of manufacturing.